new, welcome to my channel, and if you're not new, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my nighttime routine, so if you enjoy this video, make sure to subscribe and turn on your notifications so that you always know when I post. You can also follow me on Instagram. All of my social media links will be in the description below. Without further ado, let's just get on in with the video. Hey guys, so depending on if I spend the day out or the day in, my night routine can vary a little bit, but on days that I am out and I come home later on, then usually I'll just come home and I just spend a little bit of time with my dogs because they always come and greet me at the door, and I absolutely love it. And then once they're all done freaking out, I take my shoes off and I put them in my closet and also put my PJs on because comfort immediately needs to happen. After I put my PJs on, I will let my dogs out to pee if they haven't been let out already, or if my parents aren't home or they just haven't been let out in a bit. I'll normally do that, and because it's been so cold, they normally do their business really quick and I let them back in. After that, I normally go and take my makeup off because I just like to get my makeup off as soon as possible. I normally just put my hair up in a bun with a good old scrunchie because I always have one on my wrist, and then I put this really big headband with like this big bow on it. I got it from Forever 21 a little bit ago, and it's kind of cute but like also kind of not cute. But it's fine. It works really good for just like holding my like little hairs back, and that is why I like to use it when I take my makeup off and when I wash my face. This is just a little fun fact, but whenever I wear lipstick, I like to use facial wipes and take some coconut oil on the facial wipe and then use that to take off my lipstick. I find that it works really well and doesn't dry out my lips like really bad at the same time. After I take my lipstick off, I just move on to taking all my makeup off, and I just use a little makeup pad and some micellar water. I then move on to cleansing my face, so I just use my Cetaphil cleanser, and I use my hands to do this. I know some people say that it's not really that good to use your hands because your hands are oily and stuff. I don't know, but I always use my hands. Kind of want to get one of those brush cleanser things, so maybe I'll do that. So I used to only shower at night, but I've been trying lately to shower more in the morning, so that's what I actually did this day. I just feel so much better when I shower in the morning, and I also decided to do a mask this night. I try to do it a couple times a week, and I really like these masks that you just put on your face and then take it off like after 15 minutes. So that's what I did. I always go into my room and I take off the pillows and then situate the ones that I want to keep on the bed. To pass the 15 minutes, I normally will just watch something on YouTube, and I always pick up Fendi because he always wants on the bed with me. This night I watched KK and Baby J because I had a vlog to catch up on, and I just think their family is the cutest. Once the 15 minutes is up, then I'll just go and obviously take off the mask, and I just rub in the remaining product all over my face, and I honestly feel like so refreshed after I do these masks. This is normally the time I'd have a snack if I was still hungry, but this night I was still pretty full, so I just ended up brushing my teeth right after the mask. I'm done. And once I was done brushing my teeth, then I took my hair out. So I took the big headband off and my hair out of the bun. Depending on the day, sometimes I have my quiet time in the morning and sometimes I have it at night. Here I'm reading my daily devotional, and normally after my quiet time, I'll go on my phone for a little bit. Although I'm trying to have less screen time before I go to bed, I'm working on it. So that is my nighttime routine. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to subscribe and turn on your notifications so you always know when I post. And I think that's it. I will see you guys the next time that I post.